Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers from core of my heart for subscribing this channel and liking the videos and commenting very nice comments. So today it is a very interesting question from Math Olympiad challenge. It is based on number theory. Find all triples x, y, z real positive number satisfying 1 over x plus 4 over y plus 9 over z equals to 3 and one inequation x plus y plus z is less than equals to 12. So one is equation and one is inequation or inequality. So I am multiplying these two. Multiplying 1 by x plus 4 by y plus 9 over z equals to 3 and x plus y plus z is less than equals to 12. We can multiply this because it is given that x, y, z all are real positive. So I can multiply these two since they are positive numbers. So if I'll multiply these two, I'll get 9 terms. 1 by x multiplies x plus 1 by x into y plus 1 by x into z. Next set of terms will be 4 by y into x plus 4 over y into y plus 4 over z into z. Next setup will be 9 over z into x plus 9 over z into y plus 9 over z into z is less than equals to 12 into 3, 36. So here I am getting some numbers. 1, here y over x, then z over x plus 4 times of x over y plus here y will be cancelled. I am getting 4, then 4 over z. This is 4 over y, mistake. So it will be 4z over y. Next is 9x over z plus 9y over z plus z in cancel 9 is less than equals to 36. So in the next line I'm getting y over x and I'll make these two pairs 4 over x plus y. Next is z over x plus 9x over z. That means I'm making these two pairs. Then last pair is 4z over y plus 9y over z. And the numbers are 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 9, 14, should be less than 22. For each pair, I will apply the arithmetic mean and geometric mean concept. We know that if A and B are two numbers, then their arithmetic mean of A and B is greater than equals to geometric mean of A and B. Arithmetic mean is A plus B by 2 is greater than equals to square root of AB. Or I can write A plus B is greater than equals to 2 times of square root AB. So I'll apply for three pairs. First is y over x plus 4x over y is greater than equals to 2 times of square root of y by x into 4x over y. So this gives me y over x plus 4 times of x plus y is greater than equals to 2. Here y, x cancel. Square root of 2 is 4 is 2. So 2 into 2, that will be 4. So now for second pair, z plus x plus 9x over z is greater than equals to 2 times of square root of z over x into 9 times of x over z. So here I'll get z over x plus 9x over z is greater than equals to 2 times of square root of 9 is 3. So this will be 6. And third pair, 4z over y plus 9y over z is greater than equals to 2 times of your 4z over y multiplies 9y over z. Here z cancel, 9y cancel. So this implies that 4 times of z by y plus 9y over z equals to greater than equals to your 36 square root of 6, it will be 12. So this equation, let us name as 2. Now adding this pairwise, here I can write y by x plus 4x by y, which is greater than 4, plus z over x plus 9x over z. This is greater than 6, greater than equal to 6, and 4z over y plus 9y over z is greater than equals to 12. So the sum is greater than equals to 4 plus 6, 10 plus 20 greater than equals to 22. So let it be equation 3. Now we can observe this equation 1 and equation 3. Once this is same expression is less than equals to 2, and same expression the sum of 3 is greater than equals to 2. That means what does it mean? It is equals to 2 only. So it cannot be both less than and greater than unless they are equal. So from equation 1 and 3, y over x plus 4x over y plus z over x plus 9 over x by z plus 4z over y plus 9y over z equals to exactly 22. Now when they are equals to 2, that means we can see this equation 2, these three relation each has the equality or equality holds good. For every pair in equation 2. That means y plus x plus 4 times of x plus y, this is equal to 4. And your z over x plus 9x over z, this is equals to 6. And your 4z over y plus 9y over z equals to 12. Now to get the values of this, here we'll take the help of x plus y plus z equals to your 12. So y by x equals to 4x by y. We are making all the three subparts of the equation equal to each other. Y by x equals to 4x by y. So y square equals to 4x square, or y equals to 2 times of x. Similarly, from second equation, z over x equals to 9x over z, or your z square equals to 9x square. That means z equals to 3 times of x. So x plus twice x plus 3 times of x equals to 12. I am substituting in equation 2. Let it be 5. Then 6x equals to 12, or x equals to 2. When x is equal to 2, y equals to twice x, that will be 4. And z equals to 3 times of x, so that will be 6. So x, y, z triplets are 2, 4, 6. So this is the solution. Thank you for watching.